Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited for today's video because not only are we going to be talking about a blush texture that I feel like has become really popular, but a lot of people don't really understand how to use it yet, but I have got some new liquid blushes here to show you that are actually a brand new launch from my brand Nikkia Cosmetics. Now I know you guys have been at me for the longest time because it has been so long since we have had a product launch. But you guys, having little Leon, having our baby, just really threw a spanner in the works. We went through a lot of issues in the postpartum period. A lot of stuff went wrong. It was a major challenge. I had postnatal depression. It was really difficult. I'm finally back on my feet. We're ready to go. We've got new products, exciting things coming for you guys, and I'm so excited to reveal them to you today. So these are our brand new cheeky liquid blushes. Now these are actually a multi-use pigment. These can be used on your lips, on your eyes, and of course on your cheeks. And they're actually quite different to the other liquid blushes that are out there on the market. I know probably a lot of you are like, well, every single brand's got a liquid blush. Yes, I 100% hear you, but I've actually formulated these and designed these to be a little bit different to the other ones that are out there based on the gaps that I have found in the market myself as a makeup artist and just areas that I felt like I could improve on. And the whole thing about these is they are cheeky. So all of the marketing is actually quite cheeky. All of the shade names are quite cheeky. We had a little bit of fun with this one, which I thought was really cool. But we've got French Kiss, which is this really pretty cool tone pink. Playtime, which is more of like a deeper berry mauve. Kinky's this really gorgeous orangey, vibrant coral. Promiscuous is more of like a true toned coral, really flattering. And then lastly, Flirty, which is more of like a terracotta blushy sort of a shade. So this is the shade range that we have now. I wanted to launch blushes that weren't scary. I know, especially a lot of competitors' products, we've got straight up red liquid blush. We've got hot pink liquid blush. If you're a makeup artist, that's all well and good. Like, we know how to use pigments like that, but for the everyday person, way too intimidating. And a lot of the time you put one dot on your skin, half your face is pink and you're like, oh my God, you've got to wipe off your makeup and start again. I have specifically designed this formula to be more on the sheerer side so that it is very easy to apply, easy to blend with, and easy to layer. Now, of course, you guys know me. I have got a problematic skin type. You've known me for a long time here on my channel. Oily skin, textured skin. I struggle with makeup caking and separating. I struggle with formulas not lasting on my skin all day. So not only have we formulated these to be transfer proof and budge proof, but they are also sweat proof, oil proof. So if you've got oily skin, you don't have to worry about your makeup melting off. And they're also water resistant. Do a face of makeup, babe. Use this as an eyeshadow, a blush, and a lipstick. Jump in the pool. It's not going to go anywhere. So each of the liquid blushes come in this little applicator tube. These are the boxes that they come in. Super luxe packaging. I'm really happy with how this all came out. And of course, each of them have a doe foot applicator, so you can literally dot, blend, and then you're good to go. As far as the finish on the skin, these will actually give the skin a bit of a healthy glow. So it's not like a matte blush when it dries down on the skin, but it still dries down completely budge proof. It's almost like a liquid lipstick that has a bit of a satin finish, if that makes sense. See how that hasn't taken the luminosity off the skin there, and it's just literally blended out in 2 seconds. And now that that's dried down, like, it's absolutely going nowhere. Oh, what shade should we use today? Maybe we'll use Kinky. I love Kinky. So I've designed these as a 3-dot system. So basically, you want a super natural, easy look. Go in with 1 dot of blush on the skin. You can blend these with a fingertip. You can use a brush. You can use a sponge. It is entirely up to you, but just gently pat it into the skin. This is going to give you a really sheer wash of color, something super natural for every day. This is great if you're not wearing any foundation. See, they're very natural, just a healthy wash of color. And also see what I mean by, like, it's still got that luminosity to the skin. Like, it's not going to make you look matte and flat. If you want to amp up the color, go in with a 2nd dot, tap that into the skin. Or like I said, blend it with a brush, blend it with a sponge. You can use this formula any way that you like. A 2nd dot is going to build up the density of that color. You're going to see a little bit more showing through. And then lastly, if you are a blush fiend, a blush lover, you love a really blushy makeup look, you can go in with a 3rd dot. It's literally that easy. Blend it out again, and this will give you a more dramatic wash of color. Just so that you can see what I mean as well. They blend really easily with a brush. This is our bronzer brush. Super quick, super easy, super flattering. I feel like makeup's become really overcomplicated and I've had enough. I don't want you to have a product that you just put like 1 dot on your face and then your makeup's ruined. Like, formulas and textures need to be easy to work with. And I know everybody wants like this, oh my God, like viral, like crazy pigmented moment. I just feel like we're going the wrong way with that because we're actually making products harder to use for people. And I'm not about it. Now here's a little before and after of my skin with this particular shade. So here is my skin before. here is my skin after. There's nothing more flattering than a natural flush of color. Now, the great thing about these is they are a liquid pigment, so they're not going to add any texture to the skin. They're not going to emphasize pores. They're not going to emphasize wrinkles or fine lines that you might have. They'll literally give you like a blurred over the top sort of finish, almost like a filter. Now, the really fun part, like I said, is you can actually apply them on your lips and eyes as well. So I literally I'll dot it onto my lips like this. I'll take a finger. You can do this under a gloss. You can do this over a gloss. You can do this with no gloss. And then I'll rub the pigment into my lips. This will give you that really natural blotted lip look. See how easy that is? And see how pretty it looks when it's all monochrome in the same color? It's actually one of the hacks that we use as pro makeup artists to make the eyes, the cheeks, and the lips all match because it just looks so seamless and pulled together. Now, another favorite way that I love to use these is on the eyes. You can go straight in with a fingertip and apply it this way, but I actually like to use a brush. So I'll pick up a tiny bit and then actually go in and run this through the crease. It's amazing for adding a transition shade to your shadows to really pull the whole look in together and just make everything look super seamless and flawless. Look at that. It's like a full face of makeup in a couple of minutes. Before, after. I'm so excited that our cheeky liquid blushes are finally here. I am so excited for this formula. It took a long time to get it perfect and it's finally there. I just want you to have products that are legitimately easy to use. Now, the questions that I know that you're all going to ask, yes, you can buy these individually or you can get them as a bundle deal, but all 5 shades are available on our website now. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think. We are well and truly in our easy makeup era. We want to look flawless and put together, but with products that will actually last. So yes, that is it for today's video, you guys. I am so excited. If you're an oily skin type, if you are a mature skin type, if you are a dry skin type, literally this formula will work for you. Like I said, waterproof, sweat-proof, transfer-proof, oil-proof. Go swimming in them, go to the gym in them, wear them all day from the morning to the evening. Actually, funnily enough, you guys are probably aware that Nikkia Joy Cosmetics is the major makeup sponsor of Miss Universe Australia this year, which is just a massive opportunity for our brand. We're so excited. But the director of makeup, so the lead makeup artist for Miss Universe Australia, I gave her these liquid blushes 3 months ago now. I've just spoken to her on the phone. She still uses these every single day as part of her makeup routine. Like, she absolutely loves them. And I feel like as far as review goes, that's as good as it's gonna get. But as always, guys, if you've got any questions at all, please pop them down below. I'm so excited to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for supporting my brand, for supporting Brandon and I. Brandon, I know it's a bit of a mouthful. We run this brand entirely by ourselves. We don't have investors. We don't have like a huge, massive team. It's literally our blood, sweat, and tears that go into everything behind the scenes here. So yeah, I just wanted to say a massive thank you. I adore you guys. And it has been such a pleasure to be living inside your makeup bag over the last 7 years. Like, we couldn't thank you guys enough. But that's it from me, guys. I love you all heaps, and I will catch you in my next video.